KBL hair, KBL frontal. I just needed to create me a new wig unit. That's why I just needed a frontal. And I had this hair in about 4 months now. Got it. Shipping was real great. What frontal though? Ooh. Look natural. Get so many compliments on it. I love the customer service. We communicate throughout the day. We even communicate now just to check up on me, just say how you doing. And I love it. It's like once you order from them, you have a friend forever, seems like. Make sure you do order from KBL hair. They have the best hair quality. I love it. Yes, this is lit, and it still got a lot of bounce texture. I love the texture and everything. I had ordered a 12-inch frontal just to make it my blunt cut bob, and I mean 4 months later, almost 5 months later, and look at it, still beautiful, still bouncy, luster, no shedding, no anything. Hair smelled great when I ordered it. Of course I just co-washed it and just made my unit. Make sure you do order from KBL hair and tell them Monica sent you.